is the dynamic microphone Fifine Tank6s, and it's designed for podcasting, live streaming, voiceovers, and recording your voice for different purposes. And here you have the XLR input, USB-C input, and one input for the headphones. For live streaming, the easiest way is to use the USB-C input and connect the microphone right to your computer, and the headphones are going to be plugged right into the microphone. Now you can talk through this and you can regulate both the level of your mic and the level of your headphones so that your voice sounds good and you're satisfied and everything's perfect. This is the mute button here. When you press it, it's muted. And the second way of plugging the microphone is using the XLR input. In my experience, when you use the XLR input, it's better to connect your headphones right to the computer where you run your DAW, because if you leave the headphones here, you are going to get some latency in sound.
Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. I made it a little bit louder here on the audio interface now. Your dad is rich and your ma is good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry.
So this is how it works, and I can really recommend this microphone as a budget-friendly option for people who are interested in recording their voices in a good quality.